Hello everyone, this is Vinod. Today I came with a new topic, that is extension of previous class, that is projection from a height. We are discussing projection from a height. So in this we have case 2 is there. Case 2, projection at an angle theta above horizontal. This is the concept. Projection at an angle theta above the horizontal, that is the case we will see now. So to discuss about second case, let me assume first one tower here or a building. So this is initially having a height h. Say this is my height h and this is my earth surface I am considering, right? And I am throwing one object with a velocity u. I am throwing a particle with a velocity u with the horizontal, and it is making an angle theta with the horizontalist, so that my horizontal component is what? U cos theta, which is nothing but ux, and my vertical component is uy, which is nothing but u sin theta. And my motion of the particle will be like this, and finally it reaches the earth surface. So here very important thing is the gravity is always acting downward direction. As it is acting downward direction, we have to consider it as minus g, and wherever we see the horizontal velocity is constant, that is ux is equals to constant, right? This is constant everywhere, and here also ux, here also ux, which is constant. The horizontal velocity is constant, but the vertical velocity you can see here. So as it reaches this particular maximum height, my vy value becomes 0, and later it starts increasing, increases, and finally it is maintaining some velocity here, that I am considering it as vy. And as it is having some vy and vx, we are supposed to calculate v value, right? So here I have some assumptions to be calculated. My first one is, what is the time taken by the body to reach the ground? That is my aim 1. So time taken we are supposed to calculate. So as I am having the displacement in the vertical direction, let me consider the motion in the vertical direction. Then we have an equation, s is equals to ut plus half at square. It becomes s by u by ay. My sy becomes what here? Minus h. Minus h is equals to uy. Uy is nothing but u sin theta into t plus half into ay is nothing but what? Minus g, because acceleration in the downward direction is minus g into t square. And here minus h is equals to u sin theta into t minus half gt square. So we can also write this equation like this: half gt square minus u sin theta into t minus h is equals to 0. So this is what the time, this is like a quadratic equation. From here we can find out the roots, so that I can find out my t value, and this is the way to calculate what? The time taken to reach the ground. And my second assumption is to calculate a horizontal range. What I supposed to calculate? This distance, nothing but range, the horizontal distance traveled by the particle. So to calculate the range, so same I am considering x direction, as it is having x direction. So we have an equation, s is equals to ut plus half at square. I am considering the motion in x, so let me put the suffixes as x, and my sx becomes what here? Range. So I am taking it as a range. Or what is the velocity in horizontal direction? That is u cos theta into t plus my acceleration in the horizontal direction is 0, as the velocity is constant in the horizontal direction. So finally range becomes what? U cos theta into t, right? And also I wanted to calculate what is the velocity in the vertical direction. So to calculate velocity in the vertical direction, that is Vy. I am considering the motion in y direction. So we have an equation v equals to u plus at. From here I can calculate Vy. So Vy becomes what? Uy is nothing but u sin theta minus ay is nothing but minus g into t. So this is the value of Vy. So these are all the things which I is supposed to calculated, and let us do one problem based on this particular concept, so concept will be clear to you, right? We'll do one problem. So this is my tower, and this is having a height of 45 meters. Now I am throwing a particle with a velocity 20 meter per second. It is making an angle 30 degrees with the horizontal, so that my path will be like this. I want to calculate everything. What is the time period, what is the range, what is the Vy, everything I want to calculate. First let me calculate its horizontal component, nothing but ux. Ux is nothing but u cos 30 degrees. U is 20, cos 30 is root 3 by 2, nothing but 10 root 3 meter per second. This is my ux. And also I want to calculate a vertical velocity, that is uy, vertical component. This is ux and this is uy. Uy becomes what? U sin theta, that is 20 into sin 30. Sin 30 is 1 by 2, 20 into 1 by 2 is 10. So uy becomes 10, right? I got ux and uy values. And let me calculate first time taken by the body to reach the ground. So for that I am taking y direction motion, using the equation s equals ut plus half at square. So this is sy uy ay. My sy becomes what here? Minus 45 is equals to uy. Uy is nothing but 10 into t plus 1 by 2 into ay is nothing but minus 10 into t square. Okay, from here minus 45 is equals to 10t, this is 5 times minus 5t square. We can rewrite this as 5t square minus 10t minus 45 equals to 0, and after simplification it can be written as t square minus 2t minus 9 equals to 0. So this is like a quadratic equation. If you solve this equation, you will be getting t value as 1 plus root 10 seconds. You can try it once, you will be getting t value as 1 plus root 10 seconds. And I wanted to calculate horizontal range now, this value. So to calculate horizontal range, so let me consider the motion in x direction. Then s is equals to ut plus half at square. This is sx, ux, ax. My sx becomes what? That is range. Ux is nothing but 10 root 3 into t value we just got, that is 1 plus root 10. So this is my range value. There is no acceleration, this term becomes 0. This is the range value. And also I want to calculate what? Vertical velocity. You can see here, this is my horizontal velocity, that is ux, which is nothing but vx. This is vy, we supposed to calculate this, and v also we supposed to calculate. So from here vx becomes what? Vx is nothing but my ux, because it is a constant everywhere, that is 10 root 3. Vy becomes, I am using this uy ut plus half at square. sorry, v equals to u plus at. So u by vy, sorry, vy u by ay, and my vy becomes what here? Vy is equals to uy is nothing but what? 10 minus ay is minus 10 into t is, we got now, just now we got, that is 1 plus root 10, and vy becomes 10 minus 10 minus 10 root 10. This 10 gets cancelled, and finally my vy becomes minus 10 root 10 meter per second. Here minus indicates what? Downward direction. So we got the vy value, and also we got vx, and we supposed to calculate this v value. So we calculate this v value as root over vx square plus vy square, nothing but root over vx how much? 10 root 3 whole square plus vy is nothing but minus 10 root 10 whole square. After simplification, this can be 100 into 3 plus 100 into 10. Taking 100 common, it becomes 3 plus 10 will be 13. This can also be written as 10 root 13 meter per second. The speed with which it strikes the ground is, that is v equals to 10 root 13 meter per second. And also I want to calculate the maximum height from the ground. We will see that now. So to calculate the maximum height, we know the height from up to here. This is 45 meters, right? We are supposed to calculate this height. So we don't know that height. To calculate that height, we know this particular point, my vy value is 0. At the maximum height, final velocity is 0. I am using this equation, v square minus u square equals to 2as in the horizontal direction, sorry, vertical direction, then it becomes uy. So vy value is 0 minus uy can be written as u sin theta whole square minus 2 into is equals to 2 into ay is minus 10 into s I am taking as h dash. This height I am considering as h dash. And u sin theta value already we know, that is 10. Minus 10 whole square is equals to minus 20 into h dash. Minus minus gets cancelled. From here h dash can be written as 5 meters. As I want to calculate the total height from the maximum height from the ground, so my maximum height becomes capital H, which is nothing but h plus h dash. H already we got, that is 45, because this height is 45 and h dash is 5, and finally it becomes what? 50 meters. The total maximum height is what? 50 meters from the ground. This is what the concept, which is projection at an angle theta above the horizontal. And in the next lecture we will see projection at an angle theta below the horizontal. We will see. I hope this concept is clear. Thank you so much.